Hey everyone, today we're going to take a quick look at a beautiful loft suite on the MSC Meraviglia. This is going to be cabin number 12006. It is a two-story suite on board of the Meraviglia. This is a Yacht Club suite. It is not in the Yacht Club proper. There is a Yacht Club area. You have full access to that Yacht Club area. This, however, is a suite that has 2 floors and a hot tub out on the balcony, and it is outside of that area on deck 12 because that is the only place for those type of configurations of suites. So we were lucky enough to get to take a little tour of this suite. Our subscribers, Juan and Amy, met us on the cruise and asked us if we wanted to film it, and we absolutely said yes, so that we could show everybody what one of these suites looks like. So once again, this is going to be cabin number 12006 on board the MSC Meraviglia. Thanks. Let's go. Hey everyone, okay, we're in here in room 12006. Juan and Amy were nice enough to let us check out their loft suite. This is a Yacht Club suite. So you see here when you come in, immediately when you come to your left here, I'll get out of the way, you have a little closet space, which is really nice. Tons of closet space here, and then tons of closet space there, which is really, really nice. You get the opportunity to have additional guests in this room. If you come in and come immediately to your right, you have a little bathroom here. This is a full bathroom, so you get the full bathroom experience down here, in there. And when you come into the suite, you can see you have a little coffee machine here. They have a bunch of their electronics hooked up, so there is some wiring here. But if you look around, you got your TV here. You got a big mirror down here. They have their luggage stored here under the stairs. You have a really nice like breakfast area where if you want to eat all your meals in here, you could certainly do that. And then this is the sofa which pulls out into your bed. They do have a third guest in this room. So the third guest stays down here, which is really nice. And then as you wander further in, you come out here to like the real showstopper of this suite here, which is their little balcony. So you do have like this little waiting area here for your balcony where you can kind of leave your flip-flops and stuff and kind of dry off a little bit. And then we'll pop outside here. It's going to get a little bit loud. But as you pop out here, you see you have 2 really nice loungers with the lounger mats. The one over there is drying a little bit. You do have an amazing hot tub out here on the balcony. Just a huge balcony. You have sprawling views here out into the ocean ahead of us. It's a little rocky today, but it's not too terrible. And you do have a ton of privacy here. I'll just look up real quick and you can see that there's nobody really able to look down there. That's the bedroom up there, so it's your room. The other room could see a little bit from the room there, but it's very, very private and really beautiful. Then the one thing to note here is on the wall here, quick note is that you have access to all the lights, all the shades, all the blinds, everything in the room, which is really nice. And then we're going to head upstairs. This is a loft suite, which means it is 2 floors. So we'll head up to the 2nd floor here. It's really, really nice. You have your bed up here. Again, from your bed, you get these amazing views out to the ocean. We're at the very, very front of the ship here. And then you do have a walk-in closet here. It's kind of like a little bit of a powder room. So you have your little walk-in closet, which does have a little prep area here, which is really nice. You can see. And then as you wind around, you have a second full bathroom in here. This one has a tub and a shower. Again, you get your upgraded amenities as well in here, your Med fragrance shampoos and conditioners and everything else like that. Again, really nice spacious bathroom up here as well. That is it. This is the 12006 loft suite here. It's a Yacht Club suite, so you have full access to the Yacht Club. However, you are not in the Yacht Club proper. You're down here on deck 12 because it is a front-facing balcony cabin. But just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful room here. And thank you so much to Juan and Amy for letting us do a quick little tour of their suite. It is Amy's birthday today, so happy birthday to Amy.